Welcome to course number 9, Taxes and Paychecks. In this lecture, we'll focus on tax planning. Tax planning is the process of managing your finances so you can minimize your tax burden, maximize your benefits, and avoid surprises at tax time. Tax planning matters because taxes affect your net pay, your savings, and your financial goals. By making informed choices during the year, you can lower the amount you owe, increase your refund, and keep more money in your pocket. Your employer withholds money from your paycheck based on your W-4 form. If you withhold too much, you'll get a refund at tax time, but your paychecks will be smaller. If you withhold too little, you may owe money in April. Tax planning helps you strike the right balance. One key strategy is contributing to tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA for retirement savings, or a health savings account, HSA. These contributions often reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay less in taxes while also saving for your future. As a student, you may qualify for tax benefits such as the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. These credits can significantly reduce your tax bill and make education more affordable. Tracking your tuition payments and related expenses is important for claiming them. Deductions reduce your taxable income. For students and young workers, common deductions include student loan interest, certain moving expenses, or business expenses if you freelance. Knowing which deductions apply to you can lower your overall tax bill. Good tax planning depends on record keeping. Save your pay stubs, W-2s, 1099s, tuition statements, and receipts for deductible expenses. Organized records make tax filing easier and ensure you don't miss valuable credits or deductions. Tax planning isn't just for April. You can adjust your withholding by submitting a new W-4 form if your financial situation changes, such as starting a new job, getting married, or taking on freelance work. Proactive planning helps avoid underpayment penalties and big surprises. Let's consider Maria, a college student who works part-time and does freelance graphic design. Maria adjusts her withholding, contributes to a Roth IRA, and keeps track of her tuition expenses. At tax time, she claims education credits and deducts her business expenses, reducing her tax bill and maximizing her refund. Tax planning is especially important for students because many have multiple income sources, like part-time jobs, internships, and side gigs. Understanding how taxes apply to each income stream helps you plan ahead, avoid owing money, and take advantage of benefits designed for students. To summarize, tax planning helps you manage withholding, use tax-advantaged accounts, claim education benefits, and keep accurate records. With smart planning, you can minimize taxes, maximize refunds, and set yourself up for greater financial success in the future. This concludes our course number 9, Taxes and Paychecks. See you at our next course.